When will it end? It's the question many St. Mary residents are asking after being impacted by days of rainfall. Landslides, blocked roads and swollen rivers are some of the issues they've had to deal with. TVJ's Janella Pursues visited some of the affected communities.
Rain, rain, go away. The popular nursery rhyme, now a mantra for many St. Mary residents affected by non-stop rainfall. It's been 4 days, they tell us, and as a result, scenes like these. This is Castleton Gardens. According to reports, sometime after 1 Monday morning, the people heard a rumbling sound. A large mass had fallen from the mountain. From very early, they got to work, shoveling dirt and cutting trees in an attempt to clear a section of the blocked roadway. Once that was done, they went further, directing traffic in and out of the area. Some vehicles went through smoothly, for others, some effort had to be made. As we ventured further in the junction, traffic. National Works Agency crews were also on the ground, but the heavy rainfall impeded some of their efforts. From the mountains, water cascading onto the roadway, turning small springs to waterfalls. And in Enfield, this river, which came with such force, it washed away a bridge.
Some men, family and friends of the community, they help us to put this thing that you see a skip across, that we can able to come out. Yesterday we were marooned for 2 days.
A shop.
I was at home, and when I come down, somebody says, "You see the shop got it washing away there?" And I couldn't do anything. I see the shop flooding gone.
And now this resident is concerned her house might be next. Already she has lost her backyard where she reared chickens. They all went down in the deluge.
All of my little earning is just right here, so I wouldn't mind get somewhere to live from here, so now, because I'm scared to stay in there. If I don't get any assistance, I can't stay in there.
The heavy rains have also impacted business. This barbershop, for example, has not been open for close to a week.
Light gone how long now? I just last night to get back some light. So you know what say, things weak. As you can see, as you can see right now, nothing now go on. You understand? So I try to say I can get back some things together and we see if work can up and running again.
The issues were the same in areas like Long Road. And in Aleppo, one resident recounted how a family escaped serious injury when the house collapsed.
We only hear the rain coming down, and my mom and my brother was in the next room when the floor went down. And I cried out, and the door couldn't open. It's like it was jammed or something. All I had to do was to kick it off.
It's a very grave situation. I sympathize with the residents who have had to go through this, but thank God, as I said, there are no lives lost.
But while it rained in the hills in a section down below, fishermen and aspiring fishermen reaped the benefits. They were out in their numbers hoping for a catch. The perch fish, common in these waters. It's the only calm in what is, for some, an otherwise stressful situation. Janella Pursues, TVJ News.